Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. I'm focusing on our spinach planters. Isn't that beautiful? Man, all the way down to the tips. That is one beautiful plant, man. Absolutely beautiful. And in every way, it's growing just so well. It's making a big difference. And it's not just one planter that's experiencing it. We got all of our planters experiencing beauty we've never seen before. I think that's got to be about 5-6 feet tall. I'm not sure yet. But man, this is absolutely beautiful. Imagine you taking seeds and throwing them inside of a flower pot, and all they do is grow. Guys, this is Torpedopot. These are self-growing planters. They grow your food for you without you having to be there. All you do is put your seeds in the planter, put your plants in the planter, and it grows everything for you. Oh my gosh, the flowers are so pretty. When they open up, they are so beautiful. And it does it all over the place. It grows and it grows and it grows. Torpedopot. And that's amazing. Isn't that just amazing? How beautiful that is. Even down to the very tips. They're absolutely stunning. They're beautiful. How big those leaves are. Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds in your plants in, and they grow your food for you. You never have to grow your food again in your life. And they do it so well. These flowers are going to be so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, they're going to be so beautiful. Last year in these planters we grew about 11 pounds of lettuce. But this year, I wanted you to see how beautiful this spinach is. This is for you. When I designed this Torpedopot, I designed it to grow anything and everything. All you do is put your plants and your seeds in, and you get growth like you've never seen before. This spinach is amazing. Look. 8-foot tall okra. Have you ever seen anything like that before in your life? It's producing okra like nothing we've ever seen before. Torpedopot. So what I want you to do, this is Malabar spinach, and we are very, very happy with the results. I particularly wanted to grow it for you guys. I want you to see exactly what they look like. I'm seeing consistencies. I'm enjoying the consistencies that I'm seeing. I wish there were more growth in the young planters, but they're cramped for space, so I probably got to pull a couple of these small ones out to get them to take off. But for the most part, they grow perfectly all of the time. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com.